Hello, hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I am stopping by for the last final farewell to summer collab with my friend Teresa from Fresh and Renewed with Teresa. I will link everything in the description box, products I use, links to Kendra's card challenge because that's what I did this time for this collab. All the things will be in the description box below. If you are just joining us for the first time, for the month of August, we decided that we would do a little collab and we would share some summer cards just as a final farewell to summer before we move into like fall cards and holiday cards and things like that. Again, everything will be in the description box below. So I challenged myself to complete a Kendra's card challenge for this little collab for this time. And I was nervous to do this because I've done Kendra's card challenges before. I've done the number 7 and number 5 before, and they've taken me months and months. And I'm not the best at cutting it out when for some reason, my brain struggles with it. It's an amazing thing. I struggle with it. If you haven't ever heard of it, she puts these out every quarter. And you use 6 sheets and it'll give you 15 cards. She gives you cutting guides. I know other people have an amazing results with this. Like I said, I think it's just my brain, especially when it gets to be like 7/8 measurements. But having said that, I really had fun. Even though I struggled and I messed up some stuff, I just kept going and I got all 15 done. So you get the cutting guides and then you get, maybe if my fingers will work, you get the sketches for all of them and how to put them together. And so you end up with 15 cards. And so like I said, I actually completed all 15 cards. It only took me 5 days and I wasn't like constantly doing it. I probably could have done it in a shorter amount of time. Had the most fun. For my 15 cards, I used the Pink and Main June 2023 Crafty Courtyard kit, which was Waving Hello. I have to say, I loved doing a kit. I think that was part of the problem with my other Kendra's card challenges is that I didn't have like a plan. So I picked out papers, but I didn't pick out images to go with it, and so it was really hard. So I used all but these scraps of the cardstock, so that was fabulous. I used all of the paper except for 6 full sheets and then some scraps, which I think that's like a new record for me. I have paper pads, as I've shown, from like 2010 that I still have not like smashed that much. So I was super thrilled about that. I did use almost all of the glitter enamel dots. I got lots of use out of the stamp set, which it is such an awesome stamp set. I love that they have the flowers on them, the dies that go with them. I did not make any of them shakers, but now I can go back and do that. And I did not use those sketches, but sometimes I might. So, on to my cards. I hope I have them in order, so here is card 1 for sketch 1. We know I love some tags, so that also was fun. You are amazing and I appreciate you. And I tried to get those glitter dots on every one. Some of them I did use like the pattern paper instead of like cardstock, but I thought that worked out well. And so there was the inside. Hello, dear friend. Not fishy. Oh, and I forgot to say, I thought that this kit was perfect for summer because of the ocean theme and the fish and the seahorse and things like that. And there's the inside. And there's another one with that fishy. Thank you. All these banners. And the inside. And this one was a fun one. Hello, dear friend. And I put that seahorse on the inside. I think this one might be my favorite. I'm not sure. Just a fun mix of patterns. I don't know. I really liked how it turned out. Hello. The jellyfish on the inside. A happy birthday one. Lots and lots of those banners. And there's the inside. This one was a fun design to do it kind of on the corner there. You are amazing and I appreciate you. Again, there we go. And I don't know if you can tell, I got some of those greens in the fishy. I liked how I colored him. This one was really interesting. My folds did not turn out perfectly, but it still is a neat card. And the turtle, and then just waving hello is on the inside of that one. This one is Seize the Day. I like the pretty like brownie tan kind of color there. And banners on the inside. Don't know why my camera, it's not doing its balancing its white light very well. Sorry for the color contrast there. Another turtle, Seize the Days. I liked adding the touches of purple since I could do that. There's the inside. Then another happy birthday one with that seahorse. There we go. Another happy birthday. And I like the yellow fish, kind of brings out that yellow in there. There's the inside. We're nearing the end. Hello, dear friend. I think this is like the busiest card I've ever made with all the different patterns, but it just kind of worked. It was fun. The inside. Nearing the end. Hello, another seahorse there. The inside. And then the final one, we did a jellyfish. You are amazing and I appreciate you. And there's the inside. So there are all 15 cards that I made for this little summer final farewell to summer collab using Kendra's card challenge number 11. It was really a lot of fun, and I guess it kind of gave me the confidence that I could do this. Like I said, I think having the kit helped a lot because then I knew the colors, the papers, the stamps. I knew everything that I was going to use, so that helped. So I do have some more Pink and Main kits and maybe some other kits that I might try it again sometime. But don't forget to hop on over and see what Teresa made today. This has been a super fun collab. I'm glad she reached out to me to do it. And until my next video, I do have something coming up for the month of September that will be lots of fun. I'm not sure if I'll have a video up tomorrow or not, but definitely come back September 1st because there's going to be a video every single day with a particular theme. Hopefully, I get them all done. Anyways, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.